Hey, welcome back to another video of Open It Up with me review. This is your host Kate, and this time we're gonna be talking about the AKG P420 microphone. Ta-da! Poof! Look at these guys. Look at these guys. Incredible. That's right. What a crazy box. What a beautiful box. What a beautiful presentation. It has a lot. Stay with me and keep watching. Remember to subscribe, and we're gonna get into more details.
So, the P420 condenser microphone has a large diaphragm dual capsule condenser microphone. Good for project, studio stage application. Also, perfect for solo voice and ensemble vocals, perfect for strings, also for loud instruments. It comes with 3 polar patterns, cardiac, figure 8, and upney. Also, it has a switchable attenuation pad and a switchable low-cut filter. The features that this microphone brings is a dual diaphragm multi-pattern capsule, high sensitivity 20A mbpa, large dynamic range, ensemble recording ABXY and MS stereo miking techniques, classical music recording. Yes, it's so good for any kind of project you're doing. This microphone will change your whole recording setup. This microphone is so good for anything that you need, whether it's in the outside or the inside. But you got to remember that this microphone only works with phantom power, so meaning that you will need a sound card in order for you to use it. As you can see over here, it comes with the chuck mount and the microphone in this little cube box. As you can see over there, you know, the microphone and the chuck mount that you can connect to any stand that you have. I will be giving you more review, and by the way, this video is recorded with this microphone, so you can tell how the sound is super high quality. Thanks so much for watching.